Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Your sister Farina Siddiqui. Ramadan Mubarak. Just like each year, I'm supporting another charity this year, which is Toledo Foundation. Toledo Foundation has been doing an amazing job since the inception in 2020 for the empowerment of education for young minds in Muslim community. And this year, they're embarking on an amazing journey. They're providing that educational empowerment in multiple ways. They're building an Islamic school, a masjid, a gym, a youth center. And this is where you come in to protect our kids from the ailments of the society, from the red pill or the feminism or whatever you want to name it with. Our kids are suffering. They're bombarded with the kind of exposure we don't want them to face. And Toledo Foundation is providing a wide range of different programs targeting multiple demographics of our community with their advancement of education mandate. This year, they are investing in a center that is going to be a multi-purpose center, a one-stop shop for every single need of Muslim households' educational empowerment. So today, I'm requesting you through this video to invest in Toledo Foundation. If you would like to donate, you can send e-transfers at funding@toledo.foundation. funding@toledo.foundation, or you can go to their website toledo.foundation and donate there. If you would like to send a direct deposit, link will be in the bio, and I am here to provide any answers to the questions. And believe me, if I'm sitting here talking about this charity, talking about this organization, I fully believe and trust in their work and fully believe and trust in the incredible work of their mentors. The mentors have a track record of community work, community service, community empowerment, and the youth engagement. As a youth mentor serving for the past 15 years now, I believe in youth empowerment from an early age. And I'm sure as a parent, as a community person, you believe in that too. So join me and help me raise funds for Toledo Foundation. My goal for this Ramadan is to raise a little more than 20,000. If you can work with me, please use any means, any mechanism to donate to Toledo Foundation. Khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.